Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Now select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, tap on Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear next to chosen device, tap on Forget next to Connect, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one again, tap on Pair New Device, click on it, and hit Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!